you heard about BPMN and finally want to feel like an expert? Yeah, you must have heard about BPMN. Are you starting your career as a business analyst in IT, banking or another industry? Want to add BPMN to your resume? Or even thinking about getting IIBA certification in the future?
Artur speaking. Yeah? Yes. I will pass it. Yeah. Thank you. Your boss has just called. He told me that you need this course to get a raise.
My name is Artur Paziewski. I have been working as a business consultant for over 20 years. I specialize in process modeling and business analysis, and I have experience with BPMN not only in theory, but mostly in practice, in real projects, in large organizations with real challenges. I have created a comprehensive BPMN for beginners course, in which I present BPMN in a simple and understandable way. So, if you want to develop your career in the modern field of business analysis, prove your BPMN skills during a job interview, work better in a technical or non-technical team in practice, BPMN on your resume is a must. All you need is love. Sorry. All you need is the desire to learn. Join my course now, and remember, till end of this month, I give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. You've got nothing to lose. If you don't like the course, I will give you all your money back, no questions asked. So, what are you waiting for?